Hello students, I Janktasha teach you science today. First our lesson is plants around us, unit 1 plant life. We are going to learn about different kinds of plants, about trees, about shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers and thorns. Okay? The name of chapter is plants around us. Have you seen plants around us? So many plants are there, but you do not identify them. It is a tree, it is a herbs, it is a shrubs, it is a climbers, creepers, thorns. You don't know. So now today we are going to learn about different kinds of plants. First of all, we are going to learn about trees. Trees are very tall and strong plants, and it is very big in size. They have woody, strong bark and branches. They are of different types. Trees with branches. The example of trees with branches is banyan tree, neem tree, apple tree, mango tree, etc. And most of plants have branches. But some plants, they do not have branches. These are called trees without branches. The name of trees without branches is coconut tree, palm tree. And they are also big in size. They do not have branch. Now we are going to learn about shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. Trees are very big, but shrubs are small in size, and they are called shrubs. They have woody hard stem. They have many branches. The example of shrubs is rose, jasmine and bougainvillea. Some others are also there, but we are going to learn this much. Examples. Number 2. Herbs. Herbs are very smaller than shrubs too. The example of herbs is tulsi, coriander, mint and spinach. They are very small in size. Their stem is tender, green and soft stem. They are also called the weak stem herbs. The herbs have two types of herbs, climbers and creepers. Climbers, they also have green soft stem, but they have long, weak and thin stem. They are also called weak stem herbs. The example of climber is pea, grapevine and bee. Have you seen climbers? They need support to climb and they spread out. Now creepers. Creepers also called weak stem herbs. They have also a thin, green, soft stem. So they cannot stand their own. Their stem is not strong. So they also need support to climb. But creepers cannot climb because they have big size of fruit and they have heavy weight. Because of their fruit's heavy weight, they cannot climb. They creep on the ground. So they are called creepers. Example of creepers is pumpkin, watermelon. And last topic is thorns. Some plants have thorns. Have you know about thorns? Thorns can prick us. They are sharp and pointed. And plants those have thorns are called thorny plants. Example of thorny plants is lemon plants, cactus, rose, etc. Now we are going to learn about the summative assessment, page number 9. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. First one. Trees are weak plants. As we know, weak plants are called trees. Now second. Climbers need support to climb. Just understood about climb and you can got your answer climbers. Climbers can climb. So you can know the answer climbers. Number 3. Thorns protect the plants from animals because of thorns animals cannot eat them. That's why it is called thorns protects the plants from animals. Number 4. Most plants have leaves. So many plants have leaves. So we have to give answer here leaves. Question number 2. Write the names of any 3 trees. Whatever name you know, whatever spelling you know of trees, you can write. It is not compulsory you have to write these answers. You can know whatever you know. Banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree. Now question number 3. Tick the right word printed in bold. These two option is there. You have to choose the right word and make a tick mark. Number 1. The banyan or bean is a tree. So tree is banyan. Bean is a climber as we write here. So you have to tick mark on a banyan. Number 2. Rose or lotus plant has thorns. Here thorn is given. So rose plant has thorns. Lotus plants do not have thorns. So we have the right answer is rose. So we have to make tick mark on a rose word. Number 3. The grapevine is a tree or climber. Grapevine is there, so it is a climber. So we have to tick on a climber. Number 4. The coconut or neem tree has branches. So branches is there. So neem tree, we have to make a tick mark on a neem. So neem is the right answer. Coconut plants do not have branches. Thank you.
Types of plants. There is a park behind Arman's house. Armand and Arzu go there for a walk every morning with their dog Ginger. There are many plants in the garden. Do they all look the same? No. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big, some are small, some are very small. The big and strong plants are called trees. Arzu says there are 3 trees in the park. Arman says there are 4 trees in the park. Who is right, Arzu or Arman? Arzu is right. There are 3 trees in the park. Plants make our world beautiful. They keep the air fresh and clean. Trees are also of different shapes and sizes. They grow very tall.
So, it is not easy to climb trees.
Some plants are small but strong. Such plants are called shrubs. Should we pluck flowers? No, we should not. Some plants are small and weak. Such plants are called herbs. Have you smelt mint, coriander and tulsi? They all smell different. Some plants have weak stems. They cannot grow straight on their own. They need support of walls, sticks, or other plants to grow. Such plants are called climbers. Some weak plants grow along the ground. Such plants are called creepers.
Unit 1, Plant Life. Chapter 1, Plants Around Us. Learning points are different kinds of plants, trees with branches, trees without branches, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, thorns. We see different kinds of plants around us. Some plants are big, some plants are small, some plants are very small. Plants make our world colorful. Mango tree, a big plant. You can see properly. Rose, a small plant. It is smaller than tree. Grass, a very small plant. It is smaller than shrubs. Shrubs, herbs. Trees. Big plants are called trees. Trees are very tall and strong. They stand erect. Most trees have strong woody barks and branches. Look at the pictures. This brown is bark and this one is their branches. Look at properly and identify. This one is branches and this is on a trunk. There is the layer of bark. It is brown in color. Branches is also brown in color. Some trees do not have branches. Look at the back side. This is the trees without branches. We can call them trees without branches. The examples are coconut and toddy palm. And trees with branches have banyan tree and neem tree. So many trees are there, they have branches. But some trees like a coconut and toddy palm do not have branches. So we can call them trees without branches. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have thin, woody and hard stem. They have many branches. Look at the pictures. They have many branches. And their stems are thin and woody and hard. Rose. Examples of shrubs are rose, jasmine, bougainvillea. Herbs. Herbs are smaller than shrubs. They are soft. They have soft, tender and green stem. Look at the pictures and identify. They have green stem. It is tender and soft too. Examples of herbs are tulsi, coriander, mint, spinach. Now climbers. Some plants are weak. They cannot stand on their own. They cannot stand like us. Stand on their own. They have thin, long and weak stem. They need some support to climb. They are called climbers. Look at the pictures. How they climb. How they take support and climb and spread all out it. Examples of climbers are pea, grapevine, bean. Creepers. They are small and weak plants. They cannot also stand on their own and they have fruits of heavy weight, so they cannot climb too. If they have support but they cannot climb, they just because of their fruits heavy weight they spread on the ground. They creep along the ground. They are called creepers. Because of the creep, they are called creepers. Example is pumpkin, watermelon, thorns. Some plants have thorns. Look at the pictures. Small thorns are there. Thorns are sharp and pointed. Have you seen thorns? They are pointed and very sharp. Thorns prick us. Animals do not eat plants with thorns. Animals also know that these plants have thorns, so they cannot eat them too. Examples are lemon plant, cactus. Now I know. Read with me, children. Number 1, we see different kinds of plants around us. Trees are big and strong plants. Climbers are weak plants. They need support to climb. Most plants have leaves. Some plants have thorns. Summative assessment. Let's answer question 1. Choose the right word from the box and fill in the blanks. A box is given with their option. Number 1. Choose the answer from your box and fill in the blanks. Number 1. Blanks are big plants. Look at here, big plants is given. So you have to choose the right word is trees. We know that trees are big plants. So we have to write here trees. And make a full sentence, complete sentence. Trees are big plants. Number 2. Blanks need support to climb. Climb what is given. So who climbed the plants? Which plants is climbed? So we can write here climbers. Climbers need support to climb because they have weak plants, weak stems. That's why. Number 3. Blanks protect the plants from animals. Thorns. Answer is thorns. Choose the thorns word and fill the answer. Thorns protect the plants from animals because animals cannot eat plants those have thorns. Number 4. Most plants have leaves. We know that so many plants are there which have leaves. So we have to fill answer with word leaves. Question 2. Write the names of any 3 trees. First, banyan tree. Second, neem tree. Third, mango tree. If you know other names, you can write also. But you have to write the correct spell. Question 3. Take the right word printed in bold. Bold word is given. You have to choose the right one. Two word is given. Which one is right? You have to make a tick mark on it. The banyan or bean is a tree. Tree word is given. So you have to make a tick on a banyan because bean is a climber. Number 2. The rose or lotus plant has thorns. Thorns word is given. As we know, rose has a thorns. So make a tick mark on a rose. 3. The grapevine is a tree or climber. Climber word is given. So grapevine, we know that grapevine is a climber. So make a tick mark on a climber. Grapevine is not a tree. The right word is climber. Number 4. The coconut or neem tree has branches. Branches word is given. Has branches word is given. So you have to make a tick on a neem. Not on a coconut because coconut is without branches. Formative assessment. Let's have fun. Number 1. Name the type of tree. Look at the word type. You have to identify the type of plants and write down. Don't write here banyan. Don't write here jasmine. Here mint or grapevine. It is a type of plant. So you have to write here trees. Because of big plants, you have to write here tree. This is a small in size. So you have to write here shrub. This is a very small and green stem plant. So you have to write here herb. And this is a climber plant. So you have to write here climber, not write grapevine. Number 2. Complete the puzzle with different type of plants around us. The first 2 letters is given. Pictures is given. You just identify the pictures and write the type of plant. Shrub is given. So you have to fill S-H-R-U-B. Shrub, what is that? Herb. H-E-R-B, herb. Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Climber picture is given. So you have to write here C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. Creeper pictures is given. So you have to make a word of creeper. C-R-E-E-P-E-R, creeper. Now last, it is not compulsory for you. It is for your practice. These are activities. Let's do these activities. Collect some leaves and flowers between newspaper and pull weight on it. Pick only those leaves which have fallen down on the ground. When dry, paste them in your scrapbook. It is not necessary for using scrapbook. You can paste on your notebook also. Try to find out their names with help of your teachers. We will be helpful to you whenever you need.